Welcome to Kids Planet Corner. Kids, today we will practice speaking English using basic daily routine phrases.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Abdullah.
How old you are?
I am 8 years old.
In which class are you?
I am in class 2.
Do you like your school?
Yes. I like my school
Why do you like school?
because I learn new things.
How do you come to school daily?
I come to school by bus every day.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I daily wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you do after waking up?
Teeth brush, face wash, and take bath. Which subject do you teach us?
No, I am a principal, not a teacher. Do you eat breakfast before coming to school?
Yes, I take healthy breakfast before school.
What do you mostly eat for breakfast?
I eat egg, bread with butter, and milk.
Good! That's a healthy breakfast.
Yes. Healthy breakfast make me active.
What do you mostly do in school time?
I study course books, do drawing, and play.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Which subjects do you study?
I study English, maths, and computer.
Which subject do you like the most?
Computer is my favorite subject
Why do you like computer?
because I love computer programming.
Well said. Do you do your homework daily?
Yes. You can ask my class teacher.
At home, who helps you during homework?
Mostly my father helps me.
Which game do you like to play after school?
I like to play football and hide and seek with my sister.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a heart surgeon.
What do your parents do?
My father is a doctor, while my mother is a teacher.
How many brothers and sisters are you?
We are 2 brothers and 3 sisters.
What time do you sleep at night?
I sleep at 9 o'clock.
Do you brush your teeth at night?
Yes, I brush my teeth and face wash before going to bed.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
I say prayer and salam to my parents.
What do you do on the weekend?
Reading books, playing and cleaning my room.
What is your favorite food?
Pizza and ice cream are always my favorite.
What is your favorite drink?
I like orange and mango juices.
What is your favorite color?
I like dark colors like black and blue.
Do you like music?
No. I like to read poetry.
You are intelligent, answering all the questions confidently.
Thank you, teacher.
I hope you have practiced enough daily routine English phrases that you can now communicate in English easily.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye, kids.